Okay, let's go back over here to see what's going on. Okay, new hour. New hour is now, I think, the breakout. And of course, it's happening already so quickly. Yep. That's the real breakout right there, I believe. That just took off. Already 15. Okay, I'm going to wait for price to break outside. If I need to do a secret sauce, I'll do a secret sauce move on. Oh, I haven't given you guys a secret sauce yet. A lot of people, you guys already know it. I think Jason knows it. Finn knows it for sure. It's a continuation strategy for when price breaks out. So I'm not afraid of having the breakout leave without me, because I can always secret sauce it, as I call it. So we'll see what kind of reaction we get once it closes. That if I was gonna catch a breakout, that's the one I needed to catch. Yeah, this would have been a very short stream if I've taken that right there. I would have said goodbye, guys. 5 minutes into the session, I would have said good night. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go catch my nap before the sun comes out. Which is why I started the stream early, because I saw it coming to the zone. I thought I could break out with the 7 o'clock candle, but that was way too quick. Right? It gave no top wick, which would have been nice to have. It just went. Sometimes it happens, you get distracted or whatever, and then if that happens, you gotta let it go. Wait for it. Catch it on the other end. See if we can get a pullback on GJ. I'm gonna need it now to create at least some support or some resistance at top so that I can take it. I'm gonna keep my eye on GJ. Seems to be the easier play today. Honestly, I mean, it's really better for a pullback. If it comes over here, this would be at least a 38.2. That's a 38.2 right there at the other zone. I need some sort of pullback. Yeah, you could do a sell limit. You could do a sell limit there. On the 30-minute, we still don't have the breakout, but the 15-minute is in play because, again, it's so volatile. Yeah, I would like it for it to come up, and if it does that, then I will take it for sure. Something like that. Okay, that's a healthier pullback. I like it. It is closing in on a 5-minute supply. So again, I would need some sort of bearish indication. I'm in the 5-minute. Gonna keep an eye on this 5-minute supply. Based on this 5-minute candle, if it can be bearish, then I'll take the break of below the wick. If you put a limit order, then you're already in. Let me open my magic keys. Putting my stop loss above that area right there. Okay, I'm in the sell. I'm going to manage it on the 5-minute. If it breaks above that wick on the 5-minute, I'm going to take 50% off. TP, I'm looking at the low of TP. It should break the low, but I'm looking at the low. It looks good. The 15-minute looks good. 30-minute looks good. Just keep an eye. You know, I'm keeping an eye on the bigger picture because I don't want to close something that's still working in my favor. You're welcome, Venetia. I'm still keeping an eye. It looks good. I mean, the retest looks good. The retest as a limit order, which we have discussed in class before, paid 17 pips with no drawdown. The 15-minute candle is about to close bearish, which is a good sign. I mean, it looks like a bearish flag. The bearish flags do leave a print of higher lows as it's going up before it crashes. So that's a second retest on the 5-minute. I'm in again. I'm gonna use that wick as my stop loss. That's a good retest, guys. Momentum should start pushing it. I'm up about 3 pips. If it can break that lower wick of that previous candle, it should go and pay me nicely. Come on, let's go. Stop messing around. It's almost 4 pips. 5.8, 6, 7, 8. Pull back a little bit. It should keep going at this point. Back 9. It should reach that demand. Anybody take that retest? The momentum should carry it. Good job, Finn. That's a good job, Jason. 9. 10. Now here comes the 8 o'clock candle. 10. So let's see. That was a 24 pip retest. Very nice. I move my TP down because I think it's gonna run for a bit. 12, 13, 14. Whoa, there you go. 15, 16. Hey, Venetia got her 38. Good job. So yeah, got me a 1%er for the day. That is a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. That's TP. Well, it did exactly what we anticipated. Nice little and check it out, guys. Check it out. 5-minute supply, right? 5-minute supply paid perfectly. Hey, you did good, Mercedes. You did good. It paid out. It paid out exactly the way that you saw it coming. And that's really all that matters. You gotta see. How can I say? If you're looking for something and you find it, you see it, and that's it. You gotta go with it. Especially because you back tested it. What else can we learn from this situation, right? We talked about the 38.2, which it did. It came back and did a 38.2. I mean, many confirmations, right? It's a 38.2 retracement, a supply on the lower time frame, and a previous support, which is now resistance. All those confirmations, and it's just paid beautifully. Another early day, and all by being patient, right? I mean, we could have taken the breakout, and the breakout did pay very nicely. And the retest was a higher confirmation. Having doubts or being afraid are just emotions, right? You don't have to give in to them. They're just emotions, and you can acknowledge your emotion. You know, because emotions just won't go away. You have to acknowledge them, right? You got to acknowledge them. Emotions are not going to go away. You got to acknowledge them. And the more you push them aside, the more you push them away, the more they will persist. So you can acknowledge it. Yep, I can see why I would be afraid a little bit, why I will have some doubt, but I'm going to trust my analysis. And you stick to your analysis. And then your analysis pays or it doesn't pay. And if it doesn't pay, then your doubt is going to say, you see, I told you. And you can tell your doubt, yeah, I know, you told me, but it's just the probabilities. It's not because you were right. You know, you can tell your doubt, it's not because you were right. It's just the probabilities. It didn't pay this time. But tomorrow, when I see the same scenario, I'm going in again, Mr. Doubt. I'm going in again. So you just put up with it because we're going in again tomorrow. And it'll start talking to you. That inner critic will start talking to you. It will tell you, dude, you're going to lose money again. And you say, well, you know, I may not win this one, but overall I'm going to keep winning because my strategy has proven itself. I'm going to trust my analysis. And your doubt will keep talking to you. But if you persist on doing what you know you should do, in time, as you continue to see those 38 pips paying you over and over and over and over, your doubt will shut its mouth up. Eventually your doubt will say, yeah, you were right. And eventually your doubt, again, that inner voice, that inner critic will tell you when you lose, it will back you up and say, well, that was just a probability. You know? It will start repeating what you have been telling it all along. It was just a probability. Okay, guys, that's it. Blessings. Have a great day. And if you made money, keep it. Don't put it in the market again. All right? Take care, guys. Blessings to everybody. Bye-bye.